Hey everyone, today we're going to be learning how to make this cute birthday card. For this project, you will need a die cut machine, foam dots, 3 pieces of cardstock paper with the patterns of your choice, a card blank, acrylic stamp blocks, Avery Elves Bonjour die and stamp set, and a black ink pad. First, place your cardstock papers onto your die cut cutting plates and lay the macaron dies onto the papers. You will need to cut out 2 large macarons and 1 small macaron. Next, run your plates through the die cut machine to cut out the macarons. I will also be making several other cards with this design using different patterns of paper to demonstrate the many options you can have with this one design. Once you have your macarons cut out, lay them out and place your macaron stamps on the stamp blocks. Now use your ink pad on the stamps and stamp the outline onto the macaron cutouts. It may be helpful to test the stamp out on a separate sheet of paper before stamping the cutouts, but this is optional. Now that the macarons are complete, it's time to stamp the card. Place the stamp that says "Have a Sweet Birthday" onto a stamp block, then stamp that onto the upper left of the card blank. If while stamping your card, a stamp doesn't turn out how you would like it to, you could fix the stamp by stamping a spare piece of cardstock paper and gluing it on over the area with the bad stamp. Now it's time to attach your macarons to the card. Take your foam dots and put them on the back of the macaron cutouts. If you have multiple sizes of dots, it will help add dimension to your card by putting more highly raised dots on the back of the large macarons and shorter dots on the small macaron. Once that is done, place the macarons on the card in the layout shown on screen. all done! Send this off to someone you care about for their birthday, and they're sure to love this cute and considerate card.